Welcome. In this Ally Bank review, we will dive into the features, benefits, and potential drawbacks of Ally Bank. So first of all, what is Ally Bank? So Ally Bank is an online-based financial institution. It has remote customer service, however, it does not have any branch locations. On the other side, there are more than 55,000 nationwide ATMs that you can use. So it is best for those who want to earn high interest and don't mind using remote customer service instead of bank branches. Now let's take a look at the pros and cons. On Ally Bank you don't have any overdraft fees, but you have a large, free and nationwide ATM network, which is really good. Then you have no minimum opening deposits, but some cons of Ally Bank is that you cannot do any cash deposits, and as said before, there is no physical branch access. Now let's take a look at the checking and savings account of Ally Bank. So Ally Bank savings account. The savings account of Ally Bank has a competitive yield of 4% annual percentage yield, also known as APY. There are no minimum opening deposits as said before, but there are some lack of features. So the savings account does not offer additional features that are commonly found in other savings accounts, such as goal tracking or budgeting tools. Then there is limited physical branch access, but we've covered that already. So let's take a look at the checking account. So in the checking account, you get a 0.1 APY if you have a daily balance of below 15,000. Then you have a 0.25 APY for a daily balance of over 15,000. Now, some of the pros and cons. So one con is definitely that it is very convenient to use, and you have convenient funding options. So you have direct deposit, e-check deposit, or mail-in deposits. Then there is no minimum deposit required. Now let's take a look at the Ally Access. So on Ally you have 24/7 online banking, since it's an online-based institution, and you have a mobile app. You can download it on Windows, iOS, or Android. Its iOS version is the most robust. It offers the ability to check balances, find ATMs, transfer funds, or manage one-time or recurring transfers. And you can even use Ally Assist. So Ally has created an Ally skill for Alexa. This means you can use voice commands to check balances on your checking, savings, and CD accounts, and you can even transfer money just with Alexa. But me personally, I'm a bit skeptical with using Alexa for online banking. However, if you feel comfortable using it with Alexa, Ally Bank also offers that option. Now let's take a look at the certificates of deposit, also known as CD accounts. So its traditional high yield CDs range from 3 months to 5 years, and there's no minimum deposit required to open up a CD. So here you can see the terms and the APY. So a 3-month term has the APY of 2.5%, 6 months term has an APY of 3.5%, 9 months term 4.15%, 12 months term 4.5% APY, 18 months 5% APY, a 3 years term has a 4.25 APY, and a 5 years term has an APY of 4.1%. So both the high yield CDs and raise your rate CDs have early withdrawal penalties that vary by term. So for terms of 24 months or less, the bank charges 60 days of interest. The charge moves up to 90 days of interest for terms between 25 and 36 months, and for terms between 37 and 48 months, the fee is 120 days of interest. And for terms of over 49 months, the charge is 150 days of interest. But Ally Bank also offers its no penalty CD, so this CD is currently available in an 11-month term. Now let's take a look at some of the fees on Ally Bank. So there is a $7.5 fee if a deposited check is rejected for payment by the bank on which it was drawn. Then there is a $20 fee for an outgoing domestic wire transfer. Then there's a $15 fee for expedited delivery of items, and a $25 fee an hour if you need extensive research on your account transaction history. Now let's take a look at the top 3 potential drawbacks of using this bank. So the first one is obviously limited branch access. We've mentioned it a few times before, but I just really want to make sure that you are aware of this, because if people prefer in-person banks and branch access, then this might not be something for you. Then potentially lower interest rates. So while Ally Bank offers competitive interest rates on its savings and checkings account, there may be other financial institutions or online banks that offer higher rates. So it's important to compare rates and terms to ensure that you're getting the best possible return on your deposits. And number 3, limited banking product options. So while Ally Bank provides a range of banking products such as savings accounts and checkings account, it may not have as extensive a product lineup as some traditional banks. So if you require additional services like mortgages, loans, or credit cards, you may need to explore other financial institutions to meet those needs. And so these are pretty much the most important facts about Ally Bank if you're trying to compare banks. If this video was helpful, make sure to like the video, and thank you so much for watching.